Hi guys, I'm back again with another travel video. For this trip, we're going to somewhere na di ko pa napupuntahan. Bali, Indonesia. I'm with my friend Jiva.
It's me again.
Yeah, siya lang yung travel buddy ko. So, actually, mabilis lang yung naging immigration process namin since ang flight namin is 3:45 a.m. Dumating kami dito sa airport at around 10 p.m. Wala masyadong tao. And sa immigration, walang pila. And surprisingly, wala na masyadong tinanong. Tinanong lang kailan ako babalik. So, this is my 9th country. It's been over a year since I started traveling on a monthly basis. Pero hindi naman siya international every month. I enjoyed my time. Pero kailangan ko na rin tumigil muna. Siyempre nakakapagod rin talaga to plan. Physically nakakapagod rin talaga mag-travel kasi ang dami mong yalap na time sa airport pa lang. This is my last trip for this quarter. This quarter. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Yung requirements naman guys is meron lang silang dalawang QR that you have to fill out like 3 days before your trip. QR for customs. Second is health declaration QR. Yun yung mga requirements going to Bali, Indonesia. But here sa Philippines, of course, you have to fill out yung e-gov. It's always a requirement whenever you're having an international trip from Philippines. So, yun lang guys. Actually, wala masyadong prep. We're gonna stay there for 7 days. We're gonna stay in Uluwatu and then we're going to Canggu. Time check, it's 12:30. Our flight is at 3:45 and yung boarding na is 3 a.m. Yung mga ganitong oras, mga red-eye flight. Konti lang yung tao sa NAIA. So, yun lang guys.
Are you cold enough? Or is there someone else beside you? Left a left-hand side behind and let you down. Or have you figured out how to sleep all by yourself? I know you always like to have someone around.
Thank you. Room tour. Hey guys, time check. Ang time check? 4:24 p.m. So, bang nagmadali kami guys kasi 2 p.m. check-in. Meron kaming reservation ng 5 p.m. sa Malini. We're going there. So, maganda yung place na yun. May view siya ng dagat. Yeah, and with sunset view. So, yun yung agenda namin today guys. Actually, dito pupunta pa kami ng Sundays, yung market. But, hindi namin na-anticipate na yung late check-in namin. So, naghintay lang kami actually kanina. Maka-check-in kami. And, yun, punta na kami ngayon sa Malini. See you guys.
Sebelah kamu beli, kiri, belakang. Oh, up. Welcome to Malini, how are you?
Ang ganda salad sa ganun. Oh, baka nga. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you. Nag-order lang kami guys ng surf and turf and chicken steak. Anong masasabi mo sa view?
Maganda pero malamok.
At mainit. Literal na blinding lights.
Beware of monk.
Yeah, merong monkey. Pagala-gala here. Yun lang guys. Ang ganda ng view. Yun lang gusto ko pakita. Look. Right? So pretty. Finally guys, after 45 minutes kakain na. Ang ganda kasi sunset na. Mukhang ano naman, luto naman siya. Let's eat guys.
Paano yung sa?
So ito yung first ice. Tinry ko dito guys. So, let's see if maselan yung chan ko or hindi.
Hindi siya uminom ng Ursa.
Cheers. Yun lang guys, kain lang kami. May ice cream. Yeah. Ibang flavor. Need water. Ilang ml? Baka masulit. And water. Let's go to PH. Sabihin ko ba rin? Hi guys, we're here at the Edge. Actually, nag-avail lang kami ng half-day tour sa Klook. So, dito lang kami hinatid ng Grab. Ayan.
Okay, ready?
To the toilet and changing room. So this over there for the lady. For the man, you just cross to the bridge behind the waterfall. If you swimming, then you have access to the infinity and the lagoon pool is over there. But the pool in the outside, the blue one.
Atake. Ganda. Nice. Yun lang ang spot namin guys. This one. And ito na yung view. Parang nakaano.
Saka dito kayo.
We need to vlog this moment. This is a must. Elsa floor to avoid what? First time ko lang yung ito, hindi ko alam paano buksan.
May lasa to sa'yo.
Wala, meron. Ano yung lasa?
Parang ano?
Sauce lang. Butter store. This is a must. So, spot! And then, ito yung harap guys. It's the view. Hi guys, we're here at the Edge Body. Nakapag-change na kami sa pool or swimming clothes namin. We're just waiting for our food. Nag-avail lang kami sa Klook ng Dater. And then meron na yon inclusion na 500,000 Indonesian rupiah na food and beverage. Inclusive na siya of food and yung stay for 4 hours. Meron na siyang day bed and yung pool access. Yan lang guys. We're just waiting for our food. Bye! I got burger. Ewan, basta we got burger. Hindi pala kita. She got,
Sandwich with waffled fries.
and I got this burger sliders and with loaded fries. Kain muna kami guys. Time check, it's 10:57. Until 2 p.m. lang kami dito. So let's eat first. Mukbang.
May itlog, kamatis, tsaka lettuce.
Okay.
Ba't sinabi mo sa akin?
Nagulat ako pag baba ako, lubog. Talaga lubog ako. Punta tayo sa Edge, guys. Kasi we're... Atake. Nakapos na kayo mag-swimming, guys. Banana churros. Hi guys, nakabalik na kami from the Kekak dance. We got crab McDo. Gutom na kami guys, so don't judge us. Kailangan mag-work, so hindi na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo guys, haul. Ang ganda no, mayroon pa silang pa-eco bag na ganun. Coke, of course. Wala, paano malaman kung maanghang ba? Ah, ito kasi pula. Oh my gosh, this is one-piece spicy chicken for Jiva. Soy garlic for Jiva. I also got soy garlic. I also got drumsticks, 2 pieces. Rice, fries. And then, ito kay Jiva, isa pang yan, isang chicken na hindi mang. That's all! Kain lang kami guys and work. Hi guys, we're here in Palmilla Beach Club. This is Melasti Beach. We just paid 2,000 IDR each. Consumable siya and free entry before 11 a.m. So we didn't have to pay anything for the sunbed. Just gonna chill here and eat for breakfast. So if you want to go on the beach club, okay siya. Merong pool and beachfront. Wala kaming binabaang stairs or something. Yun, we just paid 200,000 and consumable na yan, guys. So I think that's a steal or a good deal. Maganda yung beach dito, guys. Little Red Riding Hood. Meron parang mint akong nalalasahan. Ay, cute. Mix. Dreamcatcher. Ito yung mga usong bags dito, guys, sa Bali. But I'm not a fan. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyang design. Ito mga Japake siguro to. Yes. Beanie.